Because what's going on, guys? Good morning, good afternoon across the world. I hope you guys are having a great day and hope you enjoy your weekend. So today we're gonna be looking at the overall crypto market, and we're gonna be spotting a lot of opportunity that we can actually get in before the market actually start recovering from all of the economic crisis that lead to all of these crashes. And if you pay close attention to what is actually happening right now, we see the base network is actually like down significantly, and even the blue chip on the network is absolutely down right now. So we can actually take a lot of opportunity right here. So we're gonna be looking at some of the project. So we're gonna be looking some of the prominent projects on the base network that we can actually get in at a discount level. So we are not gonna be formal in at the wrong time. So the project that we're gonna be looking at is the first one. So the first one is the base SPS, and we're gonna be looking at the Giga base Giga as well. I'm gonna be looking at the Stonk. We're gonna be looking at the Ski Cats. I'm gonna be looking at the Ski. I'm gonna be looking at the Ski Max Dog. I'm gonna be looking at the Ski Max Dog, and also we're gonna be looking at the BTC and also the Toshi, as you guys can know. So we're gonna be start with the base SPS. We're gonna be looking at what discount are we going. So we're gonna be start with the base so we're gonna be starting with the base SPS. We're gonna see where the discount is so we can actually get in at the right position. So we are not gonna be buying the top. So as we can see right here, the base SPS actually launched right here, and as you can see from the chart analysis, and as you can see, run up to 5.4 million. That is an amazing before the crashes right here, as you can see. So we are expecting a nice discount for base SPS to be within 370 K market cap, or even below that right at this spot right here. As you can see, the bull run 2025, this is where we are expecting the bull run to actually kick off to break the all-time high and move way higher. And as you can see, if we go into Giga as well, we have the launching date, the launching time right here, and as you can see, it's already rally up to the top right here. And if we actually see, it's actually plumbed. If we actually pay attention, it stopped at 2.8 million market cap before it actually plummeted way back down. So we are expecting a huge rally. So we are expecting this bottom right here to be the end of the should be the end of the downside right here, and we are hoping to hit base and we are hoping to and we are hoping to get and we're hoping to get in our bag at range of 120 K market cap or below that, or 20 or 200. So we are hoping to hit our bag on base Giga at the range of 120K market cap range or below that. As you can see, Buron also started right at this spot. If we actually got the bottom out and breakout is actually way forward. So we're gonna be taking a look of the stock as well. As you can see, all the charts actually look similar, so you can see there is a lot of opportunity in the game. So as you can see, we have the launch date for the stock as well, which is not far long, which is not that long. It got launched. As you can see, launch date right here, and if we actually see it actually go way up right here as the top. I picked the top at 697K market cap, and we plummeted, and as you can see, it's actually consolidating right here, taking a lot of liquidity out before it actually cut into the bottom, which is already in the bottom. So we are looking for more buy right at this spot. We could eventually see this rally come in so quickly, and we can actually see this massive potential that stock actually have as it continue moving way forward. So let's go to skip cat. So let's go to the ski dog right here. As you can see, ski dog also launches right here and actually pick its top at 364.56 million market cap before it's actually we rally down right at this spot. So a lot of us might be wondering, are you going to buy at this spot? You have to wait to allow the bottom to be get out, because right now the overall crypto market is really in red day. So you have to be patient, allow the crashes to give you a good discount. So as you can see, it actually break this hold support, this old support level, which has been maintained over weeks. As you can see right here, it actually break it, and now it might retest it and go way to this spot, which we are expecting to pick it up, which is around 28K, which is around 20 8 million, which is around 28 million. But if we actually start cost dollar averaging at this spot right here, is still a pretty good discount, which is around 90, 100 million, 60 at that range as well. But don't FOMO in and buy the top, so you have to make sure you do that. So you have to make sure you watch the chart over. So let's go to the BTCB, which is Bitcoin on base. As you can see, the launch date right here, and the peak is top at 31.6 million market cap before it actually way plummeted. And as you can see, it's actually ranging in this whole range right here, trying to break out, but it's actually plummeted. So if we are to pick more entry at this level during the bear market right now, this serious bear market, where market is actually shaking a lot of weak liquidity, as you can see, we might actually pick up from here to break out, or we might actually keep going down to this downside where with the bull run about to kick off. So as you can see, if this actually play out, we are going to have a massive potential gain, as you can see. So you can actually watch the chart over and over. So let's go to Toshi as well. This is an amazing blue chip on the base network, and it has actually do a lot of excess on our money. So as you can see, we have the launch date right here, and as you can see, it's actually peaked its top at 935. It's actually peaked its top. It's actually peaked top at $935 million. As you can see, this is an amazing project, and it actually plummeted way back down to around 330 million market cap, as you can see. So if we are to pick up this Atushi discount, we have to like be patient and allow this downside to actually hit the whole bottom right here, or we can actually start cost dollar averaging at this range right here. This is an amazing discount also on Toshi. So if you guys actually gain a lot of value from me, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you follow me on X and also on my social media. This market is not going to be last for long, and as you can see, we have a lot of discount on some of the blue chip projects on base network. As you can see, we have a lot of opportunity to pick up right now. Just make sure you don't buy the top, make sure you do your technical analysis. It's basically all about the trading strategy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.